Lie down on the floor with the knees bent, feet hip-width and parallel. Extend the arms alongside the body with the palms facing down. Inhale and lengthen the back of the neck. Exhaling, curl the spine up, contracting the abdominals, reaching the arms toward the knees, level with the shoulders. Inhale, hold as you expand the breath out into the back ribs. Exhale, lower the upper body and arms back to the mat, uncurling from the core, letting the neck return to neutral as the head comes down on the mat. Take care not to tuck the buttocks under or bring the pubic bone toward the ribs. Initiate the movement from the abdominals and don't use the front hip flexors or buttocks. If you have tension in the hip flexors, put a pillow under the knees and move the feet a little farther away from the hips. Inhale to prepare, lengthen the cervical spine. Exhale, contract the abdominals, curl the spine up, and reach away with the arms. Inhale, hold, breathing deeply. Exhale, uncurl the spine, return to neutral. Inhale, lengthen the cervical spine. Exhale, contract the abdominals, curl up, and reach the arms long. Inhale, hold, keeping the abdominals flat. Exhale, release and curl back down to the floor. And the last time, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, curl. Inhale, hold the contraction, breathing deep, and exhale, release, returning to neutral.